Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringer at 010. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for HDFC Bank stock. HDFC Bank is the ticker name, and this is the what you're watching is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart of the stock, and these are all the technical indicators deployed in the stock, and these are all the graphs generated by the technical indicators, right? And related to the stock, and regarding HDFC Bank, we have data since 2006 onwards up to till 2000 2017 November 10th. Okay, now if you look at the historical price trend path pattern, the stock has been continuously making new highs since 2006 onwards, as far as the data I'm having is concerned. Okay, there are so many highs, slight sideways movement, and again it started its upward journey. See, continuous highs, continuous peaks, right. You can clearly see this, right. And after every new peak, after every new high, there is some sort of consolidation. Right now also the stock is under the phase of consolidation, and after that, if it continues its old pattern, then there will be an upward moment. But the stock has already crossed its 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. If you look at the RSI, relative strength of the stock is very strong. It is already, the graph is making a nice slope on top of the 80 line, and which indicates the strength of the stock. If you look at the ADX direction strength of the stock, it is rising, and both the positive and negative direction lines are creating a huge space between them, which is directly proportional to the direction strength of the stock, which is rising upward, right. And if you look at the stochastics, both the lines are playing on top of the 80 line. That is good. And though the slow line is on top of the this thing fast line, that means red line on top of the black line, but still we need to consider other indicators which are very strong at this moment. And price volume change, I mean price volume, this thing, the graph, if you, I'm keeping the crosshairs here so that you can clearly see by yourself how the volume is increasing, how the volume is trending, actually how the volume is increasing up. So nice slope, right, towards upward direction, 198 million. And if you look at the momentum is playing on top of the baseline is a zero line, and right now if you look at the tip of the momentum, it is going down. Okay, because during consolidation phase we can expect these kind of things, but you see, while doing the analysis, you need to consider the whole, so many things in the consideration. It is not just the guiding points of the technical indicators that you look at. You need to look at the fundamental, the points and fundamental analysis points. You need to look at the price path pattern of the stock. You need to look at the way the stock has been behaving under a different phases of its this thing life in the market. So many things are there. What I'm covering here is, like, just for your easy understanding, I'm covering some 4-5 topics, 4-5 points, so that you can easily, it is even easy for you to understand. Okay, ABCD are good, but E is bad, so that is the reason why the stock is down, like that. But it is not that simple. Okay, this is the surface level. What we are doing, the analysis is at the surface level, but there is a lot more deeper analysis that that is done before it comes to the video stage, and then only what I'm showing here is something like, very simple things that you can which you can easily understand. If I start doing the deeper analysis here, then it will take a lot of time, and people don't have that much time, so they want things to be told very quickly. So that is the reason why I'm doing just covering some 3-4 points and taking 4-5 indicators, important indicators, and I'm trying to pass on the information. That's it. That is the reason. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, guys, for HDFC, the conclusion is the right time to invest in the stock if you had not invested so far. So people who had already invested, for example, take 2007, the performance of the stock in 2017. So in January, the stock was at 1203, and today it is 1822. Okay, nearly 600 rupees. In the last 10 months. So that is the potential of the stock. Hope you understand the potential of the stock. Okay, guys, the conclusion for this stock is, it is the right time to invest in the stock. The stock can be considered for long-term investment. Okay, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.